Welcome to our exploration of ControlNet Canny edge detection in architectural design. In today's video, we'll dive into 9 innovative ways this tool can transform the design process, from extracting outlines in photos and sketches to reimagining historic structures. ControlNet's Canny model opens up endless creative possibilities. Whether you are an architect, designer, or enthusiast, these techniques will show how a simple edge detection tool can bring new life to architectural ideas. Exploring ControlNet Canny edge detection in architectural design. 1. Using photos to generate new styles. Canny edge detection can take a photo of an existing building, detect its outlines, and generate new stylized designs inspired by its structure. This is ideal for reimagining classic designs in fresh, contemporary styles. 2. Coloring and regenerating old photos. With ControlNet Canny, we can extract edges from black and white photos of older buildings and add color or textures, effectively updating these images. This lets architects visualize what historic buildings might look like with modern materials or finishes. 3. Generating new parametric forms. By using Canny edge detection on images of parametric or organic forms, architects can create entirely new shapes inspired by complex geometries. This allows for bold, futuristic architectural designs rooted in advanced structural forms. 4. Translating architectural sketches into 3D building concepts. ControlNet Canny can extract edges from quick, hand-drawn architectural sketches, transforming them into digital outlines for further refinement. These digital forms serve as the foundation for developing full 3D models and final designs. 5. From site photos to contextual models. Using site photos, Canny edge detection helps capture natural and urban surroundings, including trees, nearby buildings, or land counters. This allows architects to design buildings that fit harmoniously into the existing landscape and visualize how structures integrate with their surroundings. 6. Layered textures for facade patterns. With ControlNet Canny, we can extract the contours of existing patterns, turning them into custom facade textures for buildings. These unique facades add personality and innovation to a project, layering textures and materials for impactful designs. 7. Reinterpreting building interiors. ControlNet's Canny edge detection can also be used to outline interior spaces. Using these, architects can generate visual guides for layouts, optimize spaces, and experiment with different room configurations for offices, homes, and public buildings. 8. Morphing basic shapes into organic structures. With Canny edge, simple shapes can be evolved into organic structures. By processing geometric forms through edge detection, we can discover new shapes and forms, expanding the architectural design vocabulary and adding fluidity to building designs. 9. Turning artworks into architectural inspiration. We can use Canny edge detection on abstract art or line drawings to pull out edges, which can then inspire new building forms or facades. This approach adds an artistic dimension to architectural design, bringing in fluidity and movement from art. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the new world of ControlNet and architectural design. As we've seen, Canny edge detection isn't just a technical tool, it's a powerful resource for creativity, allowing us to draw inspiration from photos, sketches, and even the environment itself. We hope these ideas inspire you to push your own projects further. Don't forget to subscribe for more on the latest in design, art, technology, and innovation. Until next time, keep creating and keep building.